Hi ladies, I will never diet again. My name is Lori and welcome to my Mexican kitchen. Well, it's been 11 days since I dislocated my knee and I've hobbled around. I went about a week on vacation on the beach and I am happy to report that I haven't gained any weight. I'm still 150 or 149-ish in there. I had gone down to 147, but then, you know, all the stress of hurting myself and trying to adjust, that it threw me off. I don't like it. In fact, you know, when I get going, I'm really a passionate person. I just totally get into it with everything that I have, and I just was, well, I was in I went back to my regular routine of just this maintaining. I can maintain here, but I'm hoping to be more mobile again soon. Today I'm going to be doing that shopping for some elegant wear for a wedding coming up. I'm going to try and go the day without a crutch, but we'll see. I'm just kind of figuring that whatever I can do with my knee, as long as it doesn't hurt and it's not too inflamed, that I'm good to go. I was doing some physical therapy exercises this morning and everything else. So just an update on how I'm doing. Some people have contacted me about parasites. Here in Mexico, it's something that we need to do is deworm every 6 months. And with the change in the climate, there's just so much stuff in the air. It's just really super easy. Lots and lots of people come down with gut problems. I use Parasite G and Parasite M by Dr. Morris. The main ingredients that you want to look for when you're looking for tinctures or herbs to help deworm is wormwood, walnut, black walnut, green walnut, and clove. Make sure those three are in your regimen to deworm. You can also use grapefruit seed extract, also called Nutribiotic, that's sold next door to Super Lake in the little natural health food store. Well, it's not a health food store, but the little natural store. You can pick some up there, and with that you can take between 10 and 15 drops. It can get rid of typhoid. It can get rid of food poisoning. I had an experience where I gave myself food poisoning by eating my bad chicken soup. This was several years ago. I was vomiting and diarrhea both ends. I was sick, chills, everything. It was food poisoning. I remembered about the drops. I had an event that evening, and so my husband brought me the drops. I think I had another bout in the bathroom, and I was singing that night at an event in Guadalajara. There are things that we can do to protect our stomachs, but the big thing is you can get rid of them, and then it's building back your good gut flora. So, you know, you can go to the health food store that's in Jijic that sells coconut kefir. I've drank that. I am considering colostrum therapy capsules. They are from a cow. I got to thinking, I've used bovine glandulars that were from grass-fed cows and sheep. Why couldn't it help my gut? They're eating plants, so maybe that is an ideal thing for me, since I only have one little 3-ounce bottle of mama's colostrum, human colostrum. I don't think it was enough, so we've got to build back our good gut flora. I am getting ready to go out shopping, and I've got in my Instant Pot my zucchini. I threw in some potatoes because we're going to be on the go. I'm not going to have time to keep things divided. My broccoli, I'm going to be adding frozen broccoli, and hope to pick up some greens at Costco, and maybe I'll get to do that food haul that someone was asking for. That would be kind of complicated. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be able to hobble around and get that done today, but something that is in the works. Also, if there's anything that you see on this channel, I really like this channel to be a go. Is it too long? You know, our video's too long? Do I not talk fast enough? Am I repeating myself? You know, I want constructive criticism. Tell me how I can make this channel better. Tell me how I can make my videos better to keep people's attention, get the information. I'm not a professional, I'm just a home cook. I'm not very techy, but I'm willing to learn. And if you have any tips or apps or programs that you know that would help make better videos and make editing easier, let me know. I really want to know, because this is a really super fun hobby, and I'd like to make it interesting and fun and educational for others as I'm losing the last 20 pounds, which is still on me. And we'll see if I can even lose 20 more pounds, but I'll give it a go. Anyway, I lost 58 pounds last year eating plant-based, no oil. I did Chef AJ. Oh, someone asked about the difference between Chef AJ and the starch solution. It is pretty much the same, except for Dr. McDougall's maximum weight loss program has you eating side by side, 50-50. You have to have half starch, half fed, non-starchy on each plate. And then someone chimed in and said you don't have to do that during snacks. Okay, I just didn't like eating non-starchy vegetables with my oatmeal. I just like the way that I already learned how to eat with Chef AJ, just starting out with 2 pounds of non-starchy vegetables first, and then I can have my starches. And sometimes I get mixed up because I'm busy or whatever. It's okay. I still basically eating the same thing every day. The other thing is Chef AJ does SOFAs, or SOS or SOFAs, which is salt, oil, sugar-free, and then she does SOFAs, which is salt, oil, fat, alcohol, sugar-free. And I definitely was doing that last year when I was losing the last part of the 58 pounds doing Chef AJ style. And I do add a little bit of salt because Dr. McDougall said it's okay to add 3/4 teaspoon of table salt, but I use a little bit of low sodium tamari, low sodium miso. You know, there's some, everybody's individual, so you're gonna have a little bit of tweaks here and there, what works best for you. Just, we all need to keep our sodium down low and not eat a bunch of processed foods. Everybody knows that. So, and not be eating white processed sugar. Everybody knows that. It's so horribly addictive, like cocaine. It's terrible. And I've never taken cocaine, so I don't know. So I'll probably just cut that out. But it's terribly addictive. Please leave your comments below, your suggestions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I still appreciate it very, very much. God bless you. Hi. While dining out, you can eat in Guadalajara at the Sushi factory and get the poke vegano. And if you're not eating fat, we'll just ask them, they won't do any substitutions. You can just take the avocado off and go light on the dressing. Good evening, ladies. After a full day of shopping, I am dead. I'm like just totally dead tired. I'm in my PJs. And I bought 2 dresses for this wedding. Tell me which dress you think is the best, the first one or the second one, A or B? Let me know what you think is the best dress for this wedding. I got new shoes and a purse to go with it, and I am beat. But I just would love to know your opinion, which dress you think is the best fit, best dress. They're both blue. One is more darker royal blue and the other one is a little lighter blue. Thanks a lot. Take care. Is it going?
Okay. Okay.